In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust letter spacing in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the control, how to use it confidently, and how to get clean, professional-looking text with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva and click the text you want to adjust. This part is important. Letter spacing applies to whatever you've selected, so make sure you've highlighted the correct text box or specific text inside it. Once your text is active, look toward the toolbar above your design. You'll see a small letter T icon paired with a horizontal bar that has arrows pointing left and right. That icon represents the spacing options for your text. Click that spacing icon to open the spacing panel. Inside, you'll see a control labeled Letter Spacing along with a slider. This is the tool that lets you spread characters farther apart or bring them closer together. To make a subtle adjustment, click and drag the slider slowly. Moving it to the right increases the space between letters, which can add airiness and improve legibility at larger sizes. Sliding it to the left reduces the space, which can make headlines feel tighter and more compact. You'll see the changes update in real time on your canvas, so watch how your text looks as you move the control. If you already know the exact spacing you want, or if you're aiming for consistency across multiple text elements, you can type the value directly into the input field next to the slider. Entering a number gives you precise control and makes it easier to match settings later without guessing. This is especially helpful when you want your headings, subheadings, and body text to feel cohesive. A few quick tips as you work. Small adjustments go a long way. A minor tweak can noticeably improve readability without making your text look stretched or cramped. Different fonts react differently to spacing changes, so trust your eye and assess at the size your audience will actually see. For bold, decorative, or script fonts, tighter spacing can help reduce awkward gaps between letters, while clean, sans-serif headings often benefit from a touch of extra space to feel more polished. When you're happy with the look, simply click away from the panel and your settings will stay applied to the selected text. And that's all there is to it. Select your text, open the spacing options from the toolbar, adjust the letter spacing with the slider, or input the exact value for precise results.